Hello everyone, in this video talk about Warehouse Logistics Park Infra developers. Our innovative Warehouse Logistics Park Infra developers provide the perfect infrastructure for businesses of all sizes, ensuring you can optimize your supply chain and boost productivity. Our Warehouse Logistics Park Infra developers feature modern facilities equipped with advanced technology, ample storage space, and strategic locations that empower you to manage your inventory efficiently. With flexible options and scalable designs, our Warehouse Logistics Park Infra developers adapts to your business's needs, whether you're expanding or downsizing. Your logistics processes are seamless, orders move swiftly, and your operational costs are reduced. With dedicated support from our expert team, you'll have everything you need to elevate your business. Call us now to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.